If you are watching this video, you should know that I am running a new giveaway on the channel. I will be giving out 1 GB data to any network. So, you will be told what to do to get the 1 GB data to any network in the video. So don't skip any part of the video so as not to miss the instructions. So kindly hit the like button below, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell button below so as to get notified of our new videos, as I will be taking you through the steps. This website will start mining Bitcoin for you every 2 minutes, so you don't have to refresh the page, neither do you have to manually collect your earnings or do anything. They will be sent straight into your Bitcoin wallet automatically every 2 minutes on complete autopilot. So I am just going to get you through the process, but before then, hello and welcome to Tech Kings, the channel that teaches you how to make money online from tech skills. So hit the like button, subscribe and also hit the notification bell button so as to get notified of any of our new videos or spectacular videos that will be coming out for viewers consumption worldwide, anywhere you are. So let us get started to the process per se. So I will be showing you how to make more than $5,937 in Bitcoin automatically each and every single day, and absolutely free with no work needed. We are going to set up a brand new stream of passive income that will generate money for you each and every single day without you being actively involved in the process. Now I am going to reveal a detailed strategy. So we are going to use a lot of websites. So we need to pay a lot of attention in order to understand the process and be able to implement that yourself. I am going to make things very clear and simple for all of you. So I need you to follow along in order to make this work. If you have the patience to watch this video to the end, you will have a complete blueprint of all sets of instructions that you can follow in order to take full advantage of this strategy I'm about to share with you today, and in order not to miss the free 1 GB data giveaway I will be doing in the video. Step 1, I need you to set up a Bitcoin wallet, and this is very simple. There are a few ways to do that, and the first one is by connecting to Coinbase, and that is typing on your browser coinbase.com. Then you click on Coinbase on the first platform that you see, the first ranked. Then you click on coinbase.com and enter it to set up a Bitcoin wallet for absolutely free. So the thing you need to do is just to click on Get Started. You scroll down and click on Get Started. Let me highlight it for you. So click on Get Started. Then there are some credentials you have to fill. Make sure you fill them correctly. Your name, your Gmail, your first name, your last name, your password, and click I certify that I am 18 years of age older. Then you just click on create account when you're done. So that is it. Okay. Or you can go to blockchain.com by typing that in your Chrome browser or any other browser you are using. Then the next thing is to do is by simply clicking on Get Started, just like I told you on Coinbase. Once you click Get Started, it redirects you to a form where you can easily enter your credentials. So that is that. You click on Get Started. Then it redirects you to a form where you input your credentials. I'm trying to be slow as possible so as you can get everything I'm talking about. Then it takes you to the platform. Then you input your credentials. It is completely free, and so you don't have to invest anything in it. So let it load. And then you can see you input your Gmail, you input your password, you repeat your password, you repeat your Gmail account, and you connect it to your you create your wallet address, your crypto wallet address from this, and saved it. But if you cannot decide which Bitcoin wallet is suitable for you, head over to bitcoin.org. Just by typing that in your browser also, it is suitable. Head over to bitcoin.org, which lets you choose your wallet. These guys have the form that you can fill and pick which one is the most appropriate, or whatever option you choose. It doesn't really matter. As long as you have a Bitcoin wallet, you are good to go. and we can move on to the next step. And this is the step that will help us to set the process on complete autopilot so that it generates money for us fast and passively, even if we are not doing anything at all, even if we are sleeping, even if we don't want to work at all. Just set it on autopilot. If you are enjoying this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell button so as to get notified when next we release any video. So let's move to the next step. So let's continue. I will show you a few websites in order to automate the process. The first website is faucetpay.io. So faucetpay.io. I want you to sign up to this website. This will help you to implement my strategy. Otherwise, it may not work or may not generate maximum results for you. So just click on the sign up button. Please make sure to input your credentials correctly. Your name, Gmail, because a verification code will be sent to your email, and if you don't get it, you would not be given full access to the site. Once you are done with that, the next website to connect to is called expresscrypto.io. This is also a necessity for implementing our strategy correctly. So you have to sign up. So let's wait for it to load. Scroll down. Okay, this is the website. So to sign up, you have to click on the sign up button on the button at the top left top right corner, and you scroll down. You see that you see the sign up button. Let me highlight it for you. Yes, that's the sign up button. Then you do the same thing over again and again by entering your credentials, putting your username and so on, and most importantly, enter in a valid Bitcoin address, because that is why we connect it to a Coinbase or blockchain in the first place, in order to have a Bitcoin address that we can use now to link our Express Crypto account to it and our Faucet Pay account to that Bitcoin account. This is how most likely your Bitcoin account is going to look like, that is your wallet address. It may look random to you, but it isn't so. Make sure that you enter in the correct one, otherwise you will not be able to withdraw your money and take advantage of this huge potential that this method has. So I want you to understand this better in this recap. The Faucet Pay and Express account I asked you to open will help you to automate the process by linking it to your Bitcoin wallet address and receive money passively without your active confirmation or you typing anything. So guys, we are in May 2021 and you all know that Bitcoin had a great dip. So let me show you the date. That's 25th of May 2021. Bitcoin had a great dip from $64,918.95. It dropped to $37,629.70. So take this video serious, as the price will still shoot up. And if you follow my advice and don't skip the process, you will have all the instructions and steps you need in order to set up an automated process that will allow you to make some considerable amount of money in Bitcoin. We are now moving to the third step, that is where I'm going to reveal the website that is going to generate money for us passively. But before that, I have a disclaimer, guys. If you skip this video and connect to the website and try to configure it out on your own, it is going to be quite difficult, because you might get lost in the process and give up so early, and I don't want you to end up there. So I am going to walk you through the process. I just need you to be patient. So having that in mind, the first website I will need you to connect to is called the autofaucet.chicop.space. The second one is called autofaucet.org, and the third one is called autoclaim.in. They are all powerful pieces of softwares that help us to make that amount of money. Okay, to get the 1 gig data plan, subscribe, hit the bell button, like this video, and comment Bitcoin alongside with your phone number. I will be contacting those I will randomly pick and send them the data and post a screenshot of the data sent on my next video. So don't miss this. Participate by subscribing, liking, and hitting the notification bell button. Then don't forget the format in which you are to comment. Just comment with Bitcoin, then put plus your phone number, and I will hit you up once you are picked. So that's that for that. As you expect me to say, register on these 3 websites, and after you've done that, we can move on. Now you will need to verify your email, as I have mentioned earlier, by clicking on the validation link sent to your Gmail. If you do everything correctly, this is how the home page is going to look like. You can see different coins. This is how this website looks like, the auto claim. So you can, once you are making any but our main aim is the Bitcoin. So you click on free token. So once you click on free token, the next thing is to click on mining. Okay, let me highlight that for you. You click on mining, then you scroll down. Once it loads, scroll down, you'll see the hash rates, and then you click on start mining. Then make sure your browser is set to and on your data, so that it keeps refreshing on its own. You don't need to come back, just leave your data on. And that's how you are going to do for all other websites. This is the auto claim, so you are going to do that for the auto faucet dodgy cup dot space, and you are going to do for auto faucet.org. So that's how it is. All that being said, this is Tech Kings, where we release videos on techs where you can make money from. So do make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell button. So that is all for today. Wishing you success in and progress. Goodbye, and please drop your comments. Thank